Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss HTML style tags. So these tags are very important if you want to give more style, if you want to make your HTML web page more creative, you can use style tags. So in this video lecture, we'll start with introduction part. After that, I will tell you that how you can practically use style tags. So this tag is very important and yes, very interesting tag. You can use these tag along with any HTML code. So in HTML lecture series, this is our lecture number 30. And students, if you forgot to watch previous lectures, you can check the description box. I have already added the link there. So let's move to the introduction part first. So as you can see here on the screen, HTML style is used to change or add the style of an existing HTML elements. As I have told you earlier that if you want to make your HTML document more attractive, if you want to make it more interactive, you can make use of style, you can make use of styles along with your HTML code. So there is a default style for every HTML element. For example, background color is white, text color is black, etc. We can make so many experiments with these style tags. I will tell you everything practically. Now, next point you can see here, the style attribute can be used with any HTML tag. For example, if you are using h2 tag, you can add style tag along with this between these tags. Okay, in simple language we can say that you can use style tag as an attribute of any HTML tag. Okay, for example, if you are using paragraph tag, if you are using h1 to h6 tag, you can create anything. You can use a style tag along with any HTML basic tag, right? To apply style on HTML tag, you should have the basic knowledge of CSS properties. For example, color, background color, text alignment, font family, font size, etc. So after this lecture, we'll start CSS, that is cascading style sheets. This is very important. By using CSS properties, we can make our HTML program more attractive and more interactive. Okay, so in this lecture, we'll start only with style tags. So as in this particular slide, you can see this is the syntax of any style tag. Style, then inverted comma, properties, colon, and then we add value, then we close the inverted commas. This is how we can make use of style tags along with our HTML code. In next statement, you can see the text color example. This is the H3, that is heading 3 tag, right? This is heading 3 tag. This is heading 3 tag, and you can see we have used style as its attribute. Style, color, colon green, and this is green color. H3 style, color red, this is red color. You can use anything. So this is the property of color tag. Text color, we can see it. Okay, and here in this example, you can see background color. H3 style, background color is yellow. This is yellow background, so you can see its output. Okay, so let's move to the practical section first. There I will tell you how you can create your HTML page more attractive. So title would be style tags. Under the body section, what we need to do here is let's just say H3. Okay, hi, my name is ABCD. Thanks for watching this video. Now let's close the H3 tag. Let's just save this style.html. So here we have style.html file. So you can see, hi, my name is ABCD. Thanks for watching this video. Now let's just make this H1. Okay, save and refresh. Now what we need to do, add style here. Okay, add style attribute, and along with this inline style attribute, what we need to do here is we need to add equals to, then double inverted commas begin. After this, color colon, let's say blue. Okay, then semicolon. Save and refresh. So you can see here. Next is, let's just change the background color. Background slash color. Remember the spelling of color, that is color only, right? Background color colon, let's say gray, and then semicolon. Save, then refresh. Okay, so this is how you can make your web page more attractive. You can also give font color, but by default we have used here H1, so I'm not using font size or font color here. Okay, so next point, let's just write this under paragraph tag. Okay, I hope you understand everything. Right, now let's just save this and refresh. Right, so what we are going to do here is style is equals to color, let's say red, semicolon. Save and refresh, right? And after that, background color is equals to sky, then inverted comma, then this. Save and refresh. Let me just correct this one. Save and refresh. Sky color is not working properly, so I am adding here blue and refresh. Right, now I want to increase the font size of this particular statement. Okay, so what I can do here is I can write font size colon, let's say 50 px here means pixels. Always remember one thing, if you are using style tag, especially inline style tag, there you remember, if you are using style tag, always remember to add px means pixels. Okay, so this is how you can create your HTML code more attractive by using these particular statements. So let's just do some more experiments with this example. So students, if you want to change the background color of this particular page, as you can see, background of the complete page is white. If I want to change this, what we need to do here is body bg color is equals to sky. Save and refresh. Sky blue. Save and refresh. Okay, so this is how you can change the background color. This is how you can change the background color of whole page by adding bg color sky blue, or you can write any color name. Okay, and this is how you can create the background color of a particular statement with the help of style tag. Right, so I hope everything is clear till now. Next statement I would like to do here is, let's say again H1, style is equals to color hash 14. You can write any number. Just leave this for now. HTML and CSS, and then close the H1 tag. Save and refresh. So you can see, hi, I love HTML and CSS. The color I have given here a random number. I have written here a random number, and by default this is something like light gray or something. Okay. If I change this color to, always remember to add hash before every color. Okay. Color code. This is by default black. Save. So this is by default, you can see this is by default black color. Save and refresh. Okay, so you can write any code here, or you can write any color here. Why this particular section is not working properly? H1 style is equals to, okay, so this is the mistake. Color hash any color code you can write. Save and refresh. Gray by default. Save. This is, I think, sky blue. Save and refresh. So you can do so many experiments along with this. Okay. Save and refresh. Okay, so I hope everything is clear for you. So thanks for watching this video.